Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the exact prerequisites and take action immediately. Equip John Doe with a close-range pistol, 1 shotgun, and 2 smoke grenades. You also toggle perks for plus 20% mobility, fast reload, and reduced recoil so your core stats support aggressive plays. Once loaded, move to the nearest choke point and hold a predictable angle to bait enemies. Make sure to note one flank route for escape or rotation. Begin the first engagement within 30 seconds to force the flow and gather info. You continue by executing a tight engagement loop. Peek to gather info, strike decisively, then relocate before they can retaliate. Use smoke to reset sight lines and deny vision. Smoke lasts about 6 seconds, so plant it where enemies expect you. When close, fire the shotgun for primary damage, then immediately switch to the pistol to finish the target within roughly 1-2 seconds. This combination cuts down recovery time. Once done, reposition through your preplanned flank and repeat, keeping pressure and confusing opponents. You finish fights by securing the kill and resetting, heal up and reload fully before committing to the next fight, because momentum without ammo fails. If you face heavy pressure or grenades, fall back along the flank route you noted and use smoke to cover your retreat, then loop back. If things go wrong, check 3 things immediately: aim consistency, network latency spikes, and whether perks or loadout failed to equip. Once resolved, re-engage with the same push-rotate pattern and maintain map control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.